hear this. Liberty come through carelessness. So no matter with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, me want you hear me.
Yes.
Bless you.
Babes, you know some have like bill and water bill for pay though. More you pay.
You want me help you pay light and water? Rosie, where me I come from?
Yes.
Rosie, where me I come from?
Babes, me know that, but me
Man work at prison? Yo, come from here, man. Yo, by the way, how much days since we come here? Me drink water here? And burn light?
Babes, what members?
Members say what? Yo, you can't depend on. You have to be wrong with them, man. But by the way, you know, what about the 500,000 I gave before I got to jail? Differently from the 200,000 I gave for yourself. Where the money there? Because since you want bills to pay, right? But I get a thing out of the 500,000 to pay the bill. Do I know me use it? Or you and your people them use it? You understand? But 1,500,000 we go in my account now. Because I just come back with the money now. I just come back 5 years to jail. You know see that? Or you don't realize that? 1,500,000. Talk to me.
Babes, me use that sort out myself.
No, Rosie, stop now. You use it by bleaching and diamond earring and gold chain.
I don't bleach, babes. And my mother buy me that set here on a gold earring.
We say you bleach, and when me left you black like the marina ya. I know you're brown and cartel them. Come to you.
I don't bleach, babes.
You know what? I can't cut you now. Can realize say you want somebody kill you or something. But you might say before the weekend, transfer my 500,000, put back in my account.
Babes, don't forget them money.
You look like I'm upon the whole place.
Come forget
Rosie, you know why they call me Ferris? Me say you know why they call me Ferris? Yes or no? You know why they call me Ferris? You know why they call me Ferris though? Answer me now?
Yes.
Alright, so now you never talk no further then. So you understand. You know when I go up on the road there, okay? You can't out me fire, you know. I tell you right now, you can't out me fire. Things to do on the road.
Rosie, want you, Rosie?
Money. I go get 500,000 and I think give back Ferris money.
No.
I need a plan,
I'm going to poison him.
I can't do that. I love him.
So you don't love a life?
Yeah, but I can't do that.
If you don't kill him, first I'll kill a fee money.
Your little boy have running a belly? So what you want for that? No. Don't bring him to no doctor. I'm tell you what to do. Yes, remember I'm the bush doctor, you know. And anything I say goes. Listen, you need to go to the jungle and get some guinea hen weed. Yeah, and some noonie. Stop! I know where you come about. Spin your roll 3 times. Hey! Enter judgment yard. My God, have a seat. Young lady, your burden heavy. I'm going to try to help you, you know. You need help. You not follow instruction. Because you're so in love with the man. With cocoa bread man. You miss all of the instruction. Now the cocoa bread man gone because your money done. Your man come in a problem. Hey! He's well! Hey! Cut and clear! Hey! He's well! Hey! So what's your problem now?
Right now, the 2 girls them want me tell someone for dead, I'll know them not dead.
Because you don't follow instruction. Because if you did follow instruction, those girls would have died. And when you come on to my work, you have to follow instruction. And if just to do that, you have to do that. And if Israel to do that, you have to do that. It won't work. Okay?
Anyway, now that me come out, me have bigger problem than that right now.
What problem is that? That sound dangerous.
The man when him fire us.
You mean the mad fire us?
How you know him?
Lord, I mean him Israel, I mean know everything. Yeah, so what's the problem about the fire us now? I need to know that.
Right now, me use off a whole lot of money and he want it back. I'm gonna have it for him. Somebody you do something for me.
Girl, I can give you higher calm down and I can give you higher hold down. Which one you want? Higher calm down? And even though I don't charge, you know, my friend, but you take my aisle them, me have to charge for them. Hey, me have to charge me aisle them. Hey, Lord of mercy.
And this alone me have left. I'm want you do something for me. I'm want back in money and I don't know what to do.
Let me check this money because you don't really work for small money, you know. You don't have no money, girl. This correct now, this is a calm down money. You want him to calm down?
Yeah.
Because you can't owe me, you know. If you owe me, I can't collect it. I'm going to go and come collect it. You understand? So I'm not going to owe me none. I'm going to use something to calm him down. And further on, if you want anything else to done, I will know what to do. This is for you. This is I'll calm him down. And I'm going to give you the instruction how to use it. You know, him sleep on the left side of the bed while you on the right. You see, on his pillow, make sure you use the pillow. That means when him lay down on the pillow and him inhale it, it calm his spirit, it calm his nerves. So upon his nerves and his spirit calm, you have all the control. Remember, and you want calm, you know. So don't make the mistake and go for him pillow. Because the last time I give you instruction to get rid of 2 persons, I not call no name because they don't dead yet. And I don't want nobody come to me. Come to me damn cutlass. Hey, I don't want you call me name. I don't want you call me name because I'm a serious science man. I'm not play. That's why I'm not leave my sword. You see the little short man named Bunny where you use and your mouth fire us money. And everything about that little boy in the short. What you like about him when me so tall. Be careful. Take your medicine and go on.
Can't believe some left me key. So I forgot how man left me key.
Every day me take on the street. As my weight me take on the street. Cause every day me take.
You remember the boy me tell you say which short were there? Me a reds. I him this just pass us, you know.
Money boy account, you know.
On that part.
You so find out.
You here.
On that part. Boy, son, you on that part.
Boy, pliers. Yeah. It's a lucky thing with the sharp man today, you know.
You met with deer.
I tell you.
Look on the hot girl, man.
My hey friend.
Oi, where you come from?
That's me down on the road with my friend now.
Hey, you down on the road with your friend, is that so? Go for your belt, come boy.
I can't tell you something in me. Can't see easy this time, man.
I tough chat give me boy, I say go for your belt.
Let's go, man. Let me something to work for you now. Alright, hey. You can't give a man a chance now. Where you going, son?
You say me go for your belt, boy, like you want me go for myself, don't.
Can't give a man a chance, man. Bring
Go for your belt, come give me myself.
Can't give a man a chance. Now let them vibes just tell you now.
Give me belt. Hold on, me say no, T. Let me say no. You have to go. Watch out. Hold on, watch out. Hey, boy. Me no say no, T. What you did there, boy? Send out the little dirty boy from when you go buy the same thing and you now watch him just come back, eh? Just a blast it come back.
Man can't take them life fair, man.
Yo, Rosie, I'm not going to blow do. Yo, what I'm doing? I'm burning your house doing your cup in the front door, man. I go to the front.
So what the Ferris one so what Ferris one so far?
I take some for me to do, man.
Come here.
You get the money today? Rosie, you get the money? There's something small about? Why small of it is? Eat where I eat. But you know, I'm a jinx there. That's what entire you have your jinx.
Hear this, liberty come through carelessness. So no matter with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, me want you hear me, miss. A carelessness cause this a crisis. Pay attention.
Jinx tastes good though. Rosie, what is that? What put on this?
Coke them.
Say it Rasta coke for drink.
A coke juice them so it tastes good.
Hear this, liberty come through carelessness. So no matter with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, me want you hear me, miss.